Here we'll create a gauge showing information about the pay rate by department. We'll need to click on the G button to get started. Since we're analyzing pay rate, we'll name it Pay Rate by Departments. Pretty simple, right? First, we'll need to select a dataset from the already defined ones. Let's use this HR dataset because it contains all of the information we need. Next, we'll click on the Measures tab. These fields represent the values we'll analyze in this view. In this case, we can select one or two measures. Let's use the pay rate field as a measure and give it an averaging summation. Now we'll add a breakdown aspect. So we will generate as many gauges as this aspect lets us. Let's select the department as the breakdown aspect. So we will get a different gauge representing each department. In this tab, we can create gauge-specific settings that will affect its appearance. We can change both the shape and arrangement. Let's select a round gauge. Now we'll set the arrangement manually, meaning that we'll create a matrix that controls the appearance. Let's suppose that we would like to see only 4 gauges on one page, arranged in 2 columns and 2 rows. We can make these settings using the number of columns and number of rows fields. Since we've done everything that's needed to create a gauge, we'll save it. I will give management permission for this view to myself only. Let's click Open View to see what the recently defined gauge looks like. Per our settings, we generated multiple gauges for each department arranged 4 to a page. You can see the tick marks pointing to the correct values from the scale. We can also create several customization settings according to the gauge's style. We have predefined styles to choose from, and we can also make our own unique changes. Let's use the classic style this time. Now you're ready to create and manage a gauge and use it to analyze your data. Enjoy! Try another video to learn more about Dyntell BI tools.